Jake found himself grappling with what Jesus said about John the Baptist in Matthew 11:14, and how it clashed with Mormon teachings on the need for modern-day temples.
Jesus talks about John the Baptist being the fulfillment of the Malachi prophecy. He says, if you can receive it, this is Elias who is for to come. I began a deep dive on that study because as a Latter-day Saint, my foundation for temples was based on Joseph Smith was visited by Elijah and came in the spirit and power of Elijah to turn the hearts of the children to their fathers and the hearts of the fathers to their children through ancestry work and through baptisms for the dead. But with what Jesus was saying, I wasn't sure how that related. The disciples, what they believed about John the Baptist and Elijah and what Jesus said wasn't reconciling with what I believed. I was looking, could there be a double fulfillment? How could I work this out? And as I began to wrestle with that, I started to really question the need for modern day temples, because without modern day temples, that really throws a wrench in the whole restoration movement. Why do we need a modern day restoration? Do we need a modern day priesthood?
Jake's mind and shelf strained as he fought for clarity.